Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're just gonna take a quick look at NAS and what we can expect for the week. All right, let's just start off on the monthly time frame. Let's remove this. So it is a new month, so obviously we wanna start off from the monthly time frame. It's the weekly, monthly, yeah. So you can see the last month the sellers were in control. Let's just head down to the weekly time frame. Yeah, so you can see on the weekly time frame Nasdaq, this level right here has been holding Nasdaq for quite some time, and we didn't get to retest our all-time high, so this becomes your lower high right here. Okay, so what we can expect next, or what I'm expecting next from NAS, is probably we could push down lower. Let me just delete this. Just mark up it. We could push down lower towards this level right here and then head towards the upside, but let's head down to the daily time frame. Yeah, so as we can see here, sellers were in control. All right, I just mark that out. So it wouldn't be safe for you to sell right now, right? I'd rather say wait for price to push up again if you want to sell, but for now let's just look at this level right here. First is the level I'm looking at to buy Nasdaq. That is on the daily time frame. So for now I'm just gonna focus on this level right here to buy NAS. Let's just mark that out. Right, remember this is on the daily time frame, so obviously if we scale down lower there are more opportunities. All right, that level right there, and we can see that she also broke this price right here. Okay, you can see that we do have some sort of support and resistance level right there. Let's just head down to the 4-hour time frame. Just remove that. All right, so as you can see, Nasdaq has been in a downtrend. All right, so obviously it would be wise looking for sells within this move right here. Okay, and just take of this right there. Right, so for me I'm gonna wait for NAS to reach this level here, a shaded region for me to buy. All right, but for our sales, let's just head down to the 1-hour time frame. If you can zoom in here on the 4-hour, we can see that Nasdaq broke that support level right there. Okay, head down to the 1-hour. Yeah, so obviously she can still push higher, but as for now let's wait for Nasdaq to push higher in this region right here. See what happens right there. Okay, we do have some sort of support levels right here. Okay, or if you want to use your trend line, you could connect your two recent highs, be this point right here and this point. Okay, so now you do have this shaded region and your trend line for confirmation. Okay, and obviously if she does break out here, let me just take this off. If she breaks out there, you can obviously wait for a retest to take a long into this region right here. Okay, because then you would have this sort of support and resistance level right here. Right there, to then sell towards the downside, because then you would also have your trend line and you would have this retest levels right here. All right, so but if it breaks out through this, then obviously we'll wait for a retest of the trend line or of this broken resistance, which will now then be support to head towards the upside. But please keep in mind that it is the US elections this coming week, so so trade carefully, because the markets are definitely gonna be crazy. So yeah, trade safe and stay well. But yeah, as for me, like I said, I'm gonna be waiting for Nasdaq around the shaded region to buy. All right, obviously this level right here would be a long-term buy, but focusing on the current market structure, as you guys can see, this levels right here has also been respected in the past. So yeah, and we're here again, but it all depends how Nasdaq opens and which way she opens, right? But also checking here, we do have lower highs and lower lows. Let me just mark this out. Yeah, there. All right, you can see these lower lows right here. We have lower highs, so obviously we'll see what happens within this shaded region. Just head down to the 50-minute and see. Yeah, you can see clearly on the 50-minute. All right, if she also shows us some sort of respectful level around here, this region, then you could also look for like a double bottom for a short-term buy to this region as your take profit. All right, so there's many options, which you could either wait for it to reach these certain levels or zones, all right, or if you want, you can see what sort of candlesticks it prints out at these support levels right here once it gets there. But yeah guys, that's just my view on Nasdaq and where I would be waiting for it, right, to take advantage. So as you can see right now, it's in the middle of nowhere, right, although we have some sort of respectful level right here. But yeah, I'm rather gonna wait for it down here for my long-term buy, and obviously for these sells I would wait for it up here by this level, and obviously you have your trend line right there as more confirmation. But yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, just trade well for US elections and always use a stop loss. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you all have a great trading week. Stay well and stay blessed, and don't forget to change your diet.